to be honest. But I want everything to be like A1 when I drop, you know?
Why are you acting like
Why
you
are you
ain't?
looking at me like that?
Huh?
Dude, why are you looking at me like that?
Why are you acting like you ain't got shit to drop, dog?
I don't. I don't have like mixed and mastered. I don't want to just drop, you know? It needs to make sense. It needs to make sense, bro. You're annoying, bro. It needs to make sense, dude. So I'm gonna drop
You be
like,
lying.
trust me, this year, no one's ready. I don't think anyone's ready. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna drop, and then people are just gonna be like, okay, yeah.
Say less.
That's why I'm
That's
not
right.
saying, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I.
But Happy New Year, man.
Huh?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, man. Let me go play my FIFA. We'll talk.
All right, cool, fam. Bye.
Say less. Bye.
Somebody's supposed to be right. Who's next? Who's next? I haven't actually been seeing what you guys are saying. What are you guys saying? Let me talk to you guys. Oh, guys, the headache is here. You come here. It's, yo, I don't know what's going on. Let me see what you guys have been saying. Guys, this year, see, I got you guys. You see, everyone on this live right now, I got you. This year is gonna be hectic. Trust me. Jubilee. Timmy Jewelry. Lift it up. Sage the Kid, what's going on? I'm trying to go live with someone. I just accepted their request. I've been working. Trust on the low. I got you guys. Don't even trip. Don't even trip. Just know it's about to go down. But I'm gonna keep quiet. Okay. If you take too long to accept, guys, I'ma just move on. Jubilee. Timmy Key. It's the background track for me. Hey, Thugger. Young Thug. I need you guys to have my back. All 2021, we need to go crazy. We need to go crazy. I'm going crazy. You guys need to go crazy. We need to go crazy.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hi, what's up? Why can't we see you?
Hello.
Oh, you about to play something? You in studio?
You're looking. I'm busy now at with the laptop. This one, I want you to. Yeah, I want you to hear it and tell what you think.
Alright.
Are you a rapper, right? Again?
Yeah, you can play it.
Hello.
I can't hear it. Is it playing?
Okay.
Can't hear it. That's fire. That's fire. That's dope. That's dope. Hit me up with that beat. Hit me up with that beat. What's your name? Noah. Yeah. You pause right now. I don't know why, but hit me up with that beat, and yeah, maybe I can do something with it. Homeboy's connection was a bit tricky, but yo, Noah, hit me up with that beat. Yeah. Yeah, if you want to go live, just request. Yo, Mbali. Mbali. Yeah, and SEC is really the dopest rapper out here, guys. Like, I'm gonna just keep quiet. I'm gonna just keep quiet, but he really the GOAT. Have it back. Thank you. Indie fam, guys. If I'm out here working hard, you guys have to work hard too. Can't just be me. We all going crazy. This year we're all going crazy. Trust me. My battery about to die though. I still have a couple minutes left. We're pulling out beats now. Now you must just send me the beats on my email. I actually that's how I met Castro, my producer. He just sent me a beat through my email. I'm like, oh, this is fire. Let's work. Like, and yeah, now he's my producer. So literally, just send me beats, guys. Literally. WhatsApp still slaps. Thank you. I love you too, Bilo. Yo, what's up, Renzo? Walsall. What's Walsall? What's that? My Walsall. What's that? Salutas. What's going on, Danny? Lativius, hey, how you doing, famo? You saw Nasty, shout out to you, bro. Like, if I showed my DMs with Nasty C, y'all would just like, I'm gonna just keep quiet, bro. That nigga really the GOAT. Like, I just don't be showing off, but he's really the GOAT. He's a great person. Now we know you got a nasty feature that I'm gonna just keep quiet. You gave it away. Nah, I didn't give anything away. I gotta sing that release. Please give it a listen. All right, send me the link to the single. Can we go live? We can go live. Just request. Right now, I'm just reading your guys' comments. My email is indigostellamusic@gmail.com or bookings@indigostella.com. I know Trusted LSK. Isn't it Trusted? Let me not expose myself, but I know who you're talking about. She's really dope. I saw her perform. I was turning up at Sports Scene when she was performing. She's really dope. Hey, Water Boys. Hey, Marcus Harvey in the building. How you doing, Marcus? Hey, Kino. Shout out, Mark. Shout out. Snippets. Bro, I wish I had I need to buy speakers. ASAP. I'm like